I want to do a before video. This is what my print shop is looking like now. Take you guys on a tour of my mess. As you can see, I have stuff everywhere. And you can also see that I have the installation up. This is called double bubble foil installation. It creates a vapor barrier and it's good for metal buildings. And it's supposed to reduce the temperature. And I guess I found out this week because it's supposed to be close to 90 degrees one day this week. I think Thursday, Friday. And we'll see how well this stuff works. I think it's supposed to be like 86, give or take. But yeah, this is my print shop. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of my mess that I have to clean up quickly. And believe it or not, I've been printing in my shop. That's a clean spot because I had to hang the installation yesterday. But yeah, we'll get all this cleaned up and I will do a after video once I get everything cleaned up. So yeah, and I got some storage up here now. But we'll get everything cleaned up, get everything back in working order. I can go through all this ink here that's down here under my press. See what I need, see what I don't need. But yeah, let me see if my light's working here. Yeah, there we go. Got some light. Cool. Alright, the wind's blowing kind of hard outside. But yeah, I'm gonna get all this cleaned up this week. I'm gonna start working on it today. I just want to make a short video to show you guys like a before and during the storm. And then I'll come back and make one after I get everything cleaned up after the storm. But yeah, like and subscribe and leave a comment. I appreciate it.